Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 McLaren Artura Motorhome is a stunning combination of the useful luxury of a cutting-edge touring vehicle with the British supercar DNA. It offers the unmistakable thrill of McLaren performance in a daring, road-conquering RV format, making it ideal for the elite explorer. This RV, which is powered by a hybridized 3.0-liter, twin-turbocharged V6 plug-in hybrid, does more than just roll, it roars. Combined output, 950 horsepower. Unprecedented for a motorhome. 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4.3 seconds. Maximum speed, 160 miles per hour, restricted by electronics. Comfort, sport, track, and cruise are the available drive modes. Carbon ceramic brakes and active suspension provide precise handling. Despite its size, McLaren's carbon fiber architecture and lightweight design advancements allow it to handle like no other RV on the road. Interior, luxury inspired by race. The interior seamlessly combines upscale hospitality with race car aesthetics. Lounge area, Alcantara and leather-wrapped carbon fiber lounge chairs, fold-out smart tables, and McLaren orange ambient lighting. Sleeping quarters, memory foam queen bed, with race-striped bedding and starlight headliner. Cockpit, F1-inspired digital dash with yoke-style steering and drive-by-wire controls. Kitchenette, small, elegant, and practical, including titanium-trimmed equipment and simple surfaces. Bathroom, lightweight composites, touchless technology, and a walk-in shower. Everything, including the lightest fixtures and cabinet hardware, is constructed with McLaren's function and first performance mindset. Technology and features, AI-powered climate and lighting system, satellite Wi-Fi and cloud-based media hub, voice assistant synced with McLaren app ecosystem, McLaren infotainment OS with real-time vehicle telemetry, augmented HUD windshield with GPS overlay and POI projections. External design, signature McLaren dihedral door entrance. Carbon aero body kit with aggressive side intakes and active rear diffusers. With racing-style outdoor seating and a hidden slide-out deck, the Artura Coupe's LED lighting trademark, integration of a hybrid brake system, and lightweight forged wheels. It has a sleek, modern, and distinctly McLaren appearance on the road. Cost and availability. Initial investment, $3.9 million US. Production is restricted to 25 units worldwide. Purchasers receive a VIP McLaren ownership package, which includes O, access to Artura supercars, O, private track days, O, customization sessions with the McLaren design team. Advantages: exceptional motorhome performance, stunning external and aerodynamic functionality, exclusive interior with motorsports influences, limited edition prestige. Drawbacks: limited cargo and off-road adaptability. Price tag prevents ultra-high net worth buyers from purchasing. Needs premium fueling and customized service. The final judgment, half sanctuary, half supercar, and all McLaren. The 2026 McLaren Artura Motorhome is a real unicorn. This machine is the realization of your greatest desire if you've ever wanted to combine the excitement of a track day with open road exploration.